Greetings everybody, thank you so much for tuning into Avid Adventures. I hope all of you are doing well, doing great. सब बढ़िया हो बिल्कुल. And मेन रोड पे घुसे भी नहीं है अभी, थोड़ा थोड़ा बैंगलोर का ट्रैफिक मिलना शुरू भी हो गया. Oh god, I missed this one. I am not gonna, will I be right to say that I missed this? No, I don't think so. तो अभी सीन ये है कि अपनी as some of you may be knowing, I got this bike just a day before the lockdown started. तो डिलीवरी तो अपन ने ले ली थी बाइक की, बट रजिस्ट्रेशन, नंबर प्लेट, ये सब आने में काफ़ी टाइम लग गया बिकॉज ऑफ ऑब्वियस रीजंस. एंड फाइनली आफ्टर 1 month and 5 days मेरी बाइक का नंबर प्लेट भी आ गया है बन के. एंड द सर्विसिंग ऑफ द व्हीकल इज़ ऑल्सो ड्यू. सो दैट इज़ वॉट today's vlog is going to be about. I'm gonna be walking you through the steps in detail as to what happens if you take your Adventure 390 for the first service. And this, although the steps, I'm not gonna say steps because steps sound wrong and it gives you a notion that I'm gonna be servicing the bike, which is not the case. But yeah, so अभी अपन लोग जा रहे हैं KTM Langford Road. I'm going there from, that is because वहीं से अपन ने बाइक खरीदी थी. And I could have gone to some other KTM showroom as well, which is comparatively nearby, but as I said in the starting of the vlog, I need to get my number plate fixed to the bike as well. I have been riding this motorcycle with a temporary number plate since the past month and a half. So yeah, so let's go and yeah, देखते हैं क्या होता है. Okay, so here we are at KTM Langford now, and ये अपनी Adventure 390, प्रॉब्ली किसी नए हैप्पी कस्टमर की Adventure 390. चलते हैं अंदर, अब सर्विसिंग हो गई एंड लेट्स गो इनसाइड, लेट्स सी. अभी कितना टाइम लग रहा है खुलने में? मेरे को सर्विसिंग वगैरह करानी है अपनी बाइक की यार. हाँ, इधर नहीं तो
कस्तूरीपार रोड, अपन पार्क पुलिस स्टेशन अपोजिट.
अरे यार,
शोरूम.
ओके, सो मेरे को नंबर प्लेट भी लगवाना है अपना.
नंबर प्लेट है. हाँ, 10 o'clock, 10:30,
9:21 हो रहा है. मैं यहीं तक रुक जाऊँ अभी, जब तक आएगा. तो मैं बहुत दूर से आया यार नंबर प्लेट लगवाने. हाँ, वेट कर लेते हैं. चलो भाई, थोड़ा सा अपना पोपट हो गया है. तो अपेरेंटली इधर भी सर्विसिंग नहीं होती है. दिस इज जस्ट अ शोरूम, सो आई थिंक वील हैव टू गो समवेयर एल्स. अरे यार, बस नंबर प्लेट लगवाना. सर्विस करानी है. लगा दूँ ऐसे ही? चलो भाई. ऑलराइट, सो अपन पहुंच तो गए KTM सर्विस कस्तूरबा रोड. लेट्स सी आगे जाके क्या होता है. Servicing of the bike is almost done, and I wanted to get some riding gear, and as it turns out, there is a store called as Hyper Rider right next to the KTM service center. So let's go and see if we can get some good riding gear here. Looks like a really cool place. Okay, so this is nice, man.
Thing like we have the strap kind also, so that you can strap it up. Rather
Okay.
if it's not a metallic one.
Okay, so what is the difference between this one and that one? That is, do you have straps in that one as
Yeah,
well?
even. So you can
How
same
much
strap.
is this for? This one?
This could come up to somewhere around 3550. This is of 3250. The liter capacity is different and the external.
Okay. So देखते हैं, let's see which one should I pick, because this guy, it is a little bit big and has a transparent strap also, transparent pouch, so that you can keep your phone and all those things in it. And this one is comparatively smaller, but it also has a transparent strap here. So देखते हैं, let's see. So I think I'm gonna go for the Rhinox tank bag and the gloves, and I'm also thinking of getting a riding jacket. मैं अब ढेर सारे ऑप्शन हैं, बात करते देखते हैं. लेट्स सी. आई थिंक हमारे गो फॉर दिस कलर so I have I think I'm gonna go for this one. This is I'm not sure about the model. I'll link it down in the description. So this is Rhinox Tornado 3, and it comes with a winter liner as well, as you can see here. So I'll be going to Delhi soon, so and I'll be there in the winter. So if I go for rides in the winter, I think this liner will come in really, really handy. So I think I'm gonna go for this. Is how the jacket looks. It's pretty damn good, to be honest. It's comfortable and it hugs your body well. So I think I'm gonna go for this jacket. And already, man, I'm feeling a little bit hot. So yeah, the jacket is looking okay. And I'm not gonna go for the riding pants right away. I'll probably take it like in the next month. And riding boots in the next month after that, when I go for my big ride. But I think for now, I think it is looking good, because and if you notice, the ride, it is matching my bike's color also. So 600 miles to Isle of Man. This is amazing shop, man. Really, really nice shop, and I got a good ride. I got some good quality riding gears also. अभी मैंने उनको अंदर रखने के लिए बोला है, बिकॉज आई एम गोना गो ग्रैब सम लंच नाउ, एंड लंच करके फिर अपन फिर जाएंगे, बाइक कलेक्ट करेंगे, एंड बाइक कलेक्ट करके फिर वापस इधर आके देन वी हेड होम. ओके, हो भाई, तो फाइनली कितने टाइम बाद जाके अब सर्विसिंग अपनी बाइक की हो गई. आई जस्ट ओके, यस, द $1 billion question, हाउ मच did KTM charge me for the first service of a 390cc adventure tourer? And this price is for the adventure 290 BS6 2021 variant, which since अभी जो भी फर्स्ट सर्विसिंग कराएगा तो उसकी obviously 2021 ही होगी, and that to BS6. Yeah, so okay. Yeah, so I paid 1910 rupees, so 1910 rupees for the first service. You know, city to city आपका perception distance का कितना change होता है. As in, अगर आप दिल्ली में हो तो दिल्ली में if you say यार मेरा घर बिल्कुल just like 10-12 किलोमीटर, तो हाँ ये तो बिल्कुल बगल में है. But same चीज़ Bangalore में the moment the distance enters more than 7-8 kilometers, सीधे भाई कितना दूर है यार, सीधे आपका ऐसे you get this notion. Why? Because of this. Well, this is not exactly the traffic, the red light, there is a signal, but why sahab Bangalore with traffic. Oh nice, what car is this, man? Jaguar F-Type. Oh sexy. Nice car, man. Nice car. Really nice car. Just look at it. And I think the Jaguar goes went up on top of our head. Yes, it did. Taking a left hand turn. Oh, nice. Oh, you saw the coincidence there. A Jaguar on the ground and the Jaguar in the air. Whoa, that doesn't happen really. That doesn't happen very frequently. Nice. And the aircraft was also flying very low, man. I mean, I have never seen fighters fly so low in a city before. Fighter standards के हिसाब से it was flying pretty low, I think. And it was like making a left turn and pulling hard like this. Just flew just above our head, with the Jaguar on the right, on the ground, and a Jaguar in the sky. Okay, green check, left, right clear, let's go. भाई बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट काम हो गया आज यार, नंबर प्लेट और सर्विसिंग बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. राइडिंग गियर वगैरह तो मैं बाद में भी जाके ले सकता था, उसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है, बट यार नंबर प्लेट वाला काम और सर्विसिंग वाज वेरी वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. So I'm almost home now. I'm just like about a minute and a half away from my house. So thank you so much for tuning in. And this is like I know this is like the first motovlog of mine, but please be assured many things are on their way since the lockdown restrictions are now lifted up. So till then, stay safe, stay happy, and keep watching Aviator Adventures. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.